A plate full of golden happiness is waiting for you. Only 4 potatoes from your kitchen and get 40 potato shots for your children. I am introducing myself. I am Sangeeta, the passionate food explorer. My dear friends, as you can see, I have peeled the potatoes and soaked them into the water. Potatoes are easily available in our kitchen. You need not to go outside or you need not to collect any extra item for this recipe. Except the diabetic patient, potato can be consumed by everyone. Everybody knows that potato contains starch and it is a good source of carbohydrates and children love it. Now my dear friends, I am sharing the secret. Need not to wash the potatoes 4 to 5 times if you don't have potato starch at your home. Only one time wash is required. Potato starch is easily available at Amazon app. I am going to use potato starch, so I have washed all the potatoes 4 to 5 times. Heat the oil and fry all the potatoes with salt and red chili flakes as per your taste. First time the flame is on the high position. I have cooked the potatoes with chili flakes and salt as per my taste, and now I am adding water and lid the pan for 10 to 15 minutes. In coming days, I will share you some interesting recipes with potato starch. If you don't subscribe yet, then please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and hit the all button. Meanwhile, the potatoes are properly cooked and I am adding all of them into the flour. And they are really very hot. Do not use your hand for mixing them. Use any spatula or chopsticks or any spoon. I will not suggest you to use the gram flour for the purpose because you will not get the exact result whatever you can see in the McCain's potato shots. Now after 15 minutes, while I am mixing, the potato shots are ready. One more thing, you can use a little bit of hot water into the mixture. Don't use the cold water or normal water. Little bit of hot water you can mix with the mixture. Now they are ready. As you can see, lots of potato shots are there in my plate. Fry them. You can store them also in the fridge for after using. They are golden potato shots. A plate full of golden happiness is waiting for you. Oh my dear friends, what are you waiting for? All the things are available in your kitchen. Go and make it for yourself and your lovely family. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.